The end of an era. Samsung might actually bring the most unexpected change with the Galaxy S24 Ultra ever. You see, ever since the Galaxy Note Edge from 2014, Samsung has been consistently bringing out their flagship phones with the Edge display, giving Samsung their signature look thanks to the Edge design. But well, this might actually end with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to iSuniverse, Samsung might actually bring the flat display with the uniform bezels on the S24 Ultra, which could look like what you can see right now in this example. Again, this is based on some of the early leaked data that iSuniverse has gotten from his sources. As much as I like flat screen phones, for some reason this looks kind of weird. The bezels seem thicker than the S23 Ultra from last year. A lot of people would love to see a flat screen, but not at the cost of having big thick bezels. According to iSuniverse, these bezels are right around the same level as the bezels we have seen on the Galaxy A54. Again, he really hopes that this data is wrong, considering what Apple is doing with the bezels on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, going for the slimmest bezels on any smartphone out there. I really hope that the S24 Ultra come out not looking like this, something that would actually be on the same level or perhaps better than the iPhone 15 Pro Max's bezels. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also in the news, Samsung is very much interested in bringing the fan edition foldable devices perhaps in the next year. According to Twitter Leakster, after the Fold 6 launch, Samsung could potentially bring their first ever FE edition, aka more affordable flagship tier foldable devices. And last but not the least, Samsung is gearing up to launch the beta second version of the One UI 6.0. Currently, I've been rocking the beta 1 as much as I like the new look and the new features, especially the animations when you're exiting the apps. It is definitely very broken, but fear not, apparently Samsung has fixed it and it's actually pretty good, to the point where iSuniverse, who normally criticize Samsung a lot when it comes to the animations of their UI, he's saying that the animations are looking good for this One UI 6.0 beta 2. We'll be doing a review of that on the channel very soon. So that's all the latest news. End of an era may be coming. Samsung possibly adopting a flat display with uniform bezels on the S24 Ultra. In all honesty, it doesn't look bad. I mean, the bezels are definitely thick. I hope the data of dimension is wrong, but I personally would love to see a flat screen. Let me know what you think in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.